So guys, today we are back with another video of ours after a very long time, and today we have the Honor 9 Lite. So we are gonna see its unboxing experience. First of all, looking at the box, we have the very premium looking box itself, and this has at back it has some of its specifications, which includes the quad camera, which is so significant about this phone. And then we have the 18:9 display, and then we have the 2.5D curved glass. And on the bottom we have some of its manufacturing details. It's been manufactured in China, and on the top we have some of its barcodes. So that is it about the outside experience of the unboxing, and now we'll go ahead and cut its seals. So guys, now let's jump right into the box. The one which we have ordered is 3GB RAM and 32GB variant, and we have ordered the Midnight Black. So first of all, we have the phone itself, the Midnight Black one, and as you can see, it's 18:9 ratio, and it looks super premium, I mean, if you can really feel it, but it looks super premium. So let the phone boot up for a little, and let's keep it up aside for a while. So the phone is finally booted up, and now we'll keep the phone aside for a moment to complete the installation and stuff, and meanwhile we'll look at the other contents of the box. So here we have the barcode things going on. It's the Midnight Black one, and then we have the SIM ejector tool. We have the SIM ejector tool right here. So we have the SIM ejector tool for first of all, and then we have some quick start guides. This paperwork is not useful at all, and then the warranty card. Well, let's keep this aside too, and this is the most interesting thing, among the most interesting thing of our unboxing experience, which is that it has a case included. It is a really nice matte looking case, and comes for free inside the box, and it's really useful as you need a case. And next inside the box we have the charging cable and the charging adapter. And as you can see guys, it has not included a headphone, which is not a compelling thing about most phones these days, but it is alright. I mean, at this price range you cannot expect much. So guys, now we have completed the setup process, and before we go for the specs, let's have an overview of its body design. So in the front we have its 18:9 ratio screen and 2.5D curved glass, and plus on the top we have the dual selfie camera, the premium looking selfie grill, and the notification LED over here, as you can see. And the bottom, it's nothing, just the Honor logo, and this screen looks flush and stuff like that. And on the left side of the phone we have the SIM tray, and it's a hybrid SIM tray. And on the bottom we have the normal, and on the bottom we have the only one speaker grill and the normal charging port. Remember, it's not a USB type C port like other new manufacturers so now. And this is the microphone, and luckily we also have a headphone jack. And on the right side of the phone we have the power button and the volume rockers. And moving into the top we have nothing, unlike the MI and stuff like that. They have IR blaster and stuff like that, but we do not have anything of that kind on the top of on. Also guys, as you can see, the sides of the phone look really premium, and it feels that this should be metal, but it's not actually metal. it's pure plastic, and even the power button and volume rockers are made of plastic, and the full border line is plastic. Even the SIM tray is made of plastic. Moving to the back side of the phone, we have the dual camera setup, the noise cancellation microphone, and a single tone LED. And also we have the fingerprint scanner, and on the bottom we have the simple branding and stuff like that, and it shows it's made in China. And that's all for the overview of the phone from outside. Now let's get inside and talk about its specs and stuff like that. So guys, now let's talk about the internals of the phone. So this phone is actually powered by a high silicon Kirin 659 octa-core CPU, and this phone, the 11,000 variant, comes with 3 gigs of RAM and 30 gigs of ROM. And this phone comes pre-installed with Android 8.0 Oreo and with a skin of Honor skin, which is supported by Honor, that is EMUI 8.0. So this phone has a 14.4 centimeter full HD display, and plus it has a 13 megapixel and 2 megapixel rear camera, as well as a 13 megapixel and 2 megapixel front camera. So, and this phone has a 3000 mAh battery plus a fingerprint. So that was it about the specification. Also friends, we are also doing a giveaway of this phone as the start of our channel, and all you have to do to enter the giveaway is that subscribe to our channel and comment below the best thing you liked about this phone, and the winner will be chosen as per your comments. I mean, the comment which we like the most will be winning the phone. So guys, now let's see some of its camera capabilities. So actually this phone has two modes, which is one is normal mode and second is known as the bokeh mode, which gives you the background blur and stuff like that. So now let's shoot one photo in the normal mode, and as you can see it's pretty quick. Now let's go to the bokeh mode, which will give us a background blur thing, and yeah, this one's pretty quick too. And as you can see, so friends, that was it about the unboxing as an overview of our Honor 9 Lite, and we'll catch you guys in our next video. Until then, peace.